Do you want to quickly increase sales and conversion rates? Are you looking for tangible results on your marketing efforts? Learn how to do it with Salesmanago, #1 marketing automation platform for online stores, used by over 5,000 customers all over the world. The way Salesmanago works is very simple. Salesmanago identifies customers visiting your website and collects information on which products they click on or look at. The information on your customers' behavior and interest is immediately used to deliver personalized and perfectly tailored offers via all marketing channels: email marketing, dynamic website content, social media, mobile, advertising networks. Always to the right person at the right time and to the right device. Let's take a look at the real-life example of how Salesmanago marketing automation works. Kate, a customer in your database, considers buying some products online. She came across your ad on Facebook and entered your online store. In Salesmanago, you can monitor what she is doing on your website in real time. She is browsing through various products, clicking on them, looking at the pictures, making searches. All this information is collected in Salesmanago on her individual profile. Well, unfortunately, the visit has ended in not purchasing anything. This is exactly where Salesmanago gets into action. Knowing the customer is making a purchase decision and knowing exact interests seems to be the best opportunity to effectively sell your products. Salesmanago starts with sending a dynamic one-to-one email right after the visit. It includes the recorded information about the clicked and viewed products, and it will be delivered at the day and hour which has the highest chance of getting opened and clicked on. Then Salesmanago sends a push message to her mobile phone with the products of interest offering a special discount code for her to use. When she visits Facebook, she can see products from your online store similar to the ones she has clicked on. And finally, while entering your online store again, she will get perfectly personalized and intelligent product recommendations shown on your website. What are the results of implementing your marketing strategies with Salesmanago marketing automation? 400% increase of conversion rates, saving hundreds of hours of manual work and increasing your customer satisfaction. Of course, it's not everything. You can use Salesmanago to cover the complete customer lifecycle in order to increase retention and customer loyalty and solve marketers' most common problems. Having problems with the conversion of anonymous users entering your website? Use our intelligent personalized pop-ups and exit pop-ups. Too many abandoned carts? Use our solution for cart recovery with prediction of the next best offers. Your newsletters are getting less and less effective? Use our email marketing features and deliver your emails individually at the best time and date to each person. Are you not sure which banners on your website and newsletters work best? Perform any kind of A/B/X testing and stop guessing what is right and what is wrong. Everything in Salesmanago can be done quickly and easily by yourself, thanks to our special wizards for emailings and newsletters with perfectly easy responsive email drag-and-drop creators and great analytics. Lead nurturing campaigns to automatically educate new customers that appear in your database. Autoresponders to send automatic emails after any kind of event you choose. Dynamic personalized banners to your website that make your website look as if they were prepared individually for each of your customers. Thanks to our marketing automation processes and campaign creator, you can actually set up any kind of automatic process you imagine. No limits here. And at the end of the day, you will see all the results of the marketing activity on our analytical dashboards for lead generation, campaigns, lead routing, and transactions with special integration with Google Analytics. Many customers have trusted us. Are you ready to become one of them? Join Salesmanago, world's #1 marketing automation platform for online stores.